Let's talk water-fed pole brushes. I just wanted to recap from where we last left off. Boar hair brushes in relation to centre boar hair, outer nylon split filament. In this particular 260mm brush, the larger big brother 360mm brush. Each brush comes in various configurations in relation to nozzle jet locations, and these are all quarter quick change in relation to where you would like to position those jets. The centre of the brush has allocations to take those jets. In this particular boar hair and nylon brush, in a 260mm, and the larger big brother a 360mm. In this particular brush here we have a quad pack of nozzles, 4 nozzles, and we can once again position those wherever we like within the brush. New to the range is the high-low in a 250mm and a 360mm. A couple of different configurations. We have a soft in relation to black filament. We can see the nozzle configuration. All the nozzles in this are basically not overhead, they're centre brush alignment. So that particular brush, soft in relation to a high-low configuration, and we can see the curvature of that brush. The nozzle assemblies are the same as the boar hair brushes in relation to selection and what each brush may offer in relation to where those particular nozzles are fitted. So in the 250mm, in the soft, and in the medium, we call a blue filament, the same configuration. This particular high-low brush has a 4-pack of nozzles. We have the 360mm in the medium, powered today by the Quattro, and if you're unaware, the Quattro does put out quite a lot of water, and we'll come in and we'll take a look at the configuration. And we can position those back where we like. All Euro thread in relation to angle crank and the attachment of that particular brush to a pole. We appreciate you watching. Any more information, you can come back to us on 1300 88 4566. Our main parent company, bluetongueindustries.com.au. See you on the next video.